Hey guys, so I'm over at like a hockey stadium, a hockey practice place, and I got some Pokemon cards that I will be showing today. Oh, let me just face it this way. So first we got Bound Sweet. It's pretty mint, but look at the size of that thing. Do you guys think it's fake? Here's one of them. Lapras. And 10 HP. Aeron. Blitzel. Pretty cool card. I kind of like him. A trainer. Old Cemetery. Clara. She's trainer, but ooh, it has like a shine to it. Like a shine to it. It's pretty nice. A Deerling in the last card of their pack. A Deerling. And okay, not bad. We're on Z. Shine. It's a nice shine to it. It's kind of like an art. And that's it. Shout out to Lebo. I don't know what to say. But shout out to Lebo. And have a good day. Peace.